Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.10.6 and we are going to set file permission. So the human resources team uses the /HR space directory to keep important employees documents. Over time, you notice that permissions set on each file have become inconsistent. You want to make sure that all files in the /HR directory have the same permission settings. You must modify the file permissions to be -r w-rw space. All right. So complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to configure permissions on all files in the /HR directory as follows. User and group owners should have read and write permissions to the files. All other users should have no permission on any file. Use the ls command to verify your changes, and I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Is there any other thing we need to do? So we'll go ahead and start our lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Now, in case you find this, if by the end of this video you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to a vast number of educational video materials on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. The lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and start up terminal. Now, when you open terminal, you are going to type in chmod space 660 space /HR ***, then you press enter, and then you type in ls space -la space /HR and then space /HR, then you go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.